Hello and welcome to Blender Bite Size. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this material procedurally in Blender. Feeling lazy? You can support this channel and skip the hard work by grabbing the blend file for this material from Gumroad for just £1. Feeling flush? Feel free to throw some of that coin my way using the coffee link in the description below the video. Okay, I've already loaded an object and I'm in the shading tab and I have viewport shading enabled. I've got a principled BSDF loaded, but I'm actually going to delete that and leave myself with just the material output. I'll then press Shift A and find myself a glossy BSDF. Plonk that down anywhere. Then Shift A and find myself a layer weight node. I'm going to duplicate the glossy. Actually, I'll come back to that in a second. I'm going to find myself a glass BSDF. Then I'm going to duplicate the glossy BSDF. Then I need to find myself a mix shader and then duplicate that by holding Shift D. That's going to get plugged into the output. The first glossy in the sequence is going in the bottom shader, with the mix shader going in the top. The Fresnel's going to go in the factor, the glass into the top shader, and the glossy into the bottom. Now to make a couple of adjustments. First, in the layer weight, I'm going to drop that down to 0.2. The glass, I'm going to choose my color by changing the saturation and the hue. The IOR, the index of refraction, I'm changing to 1.2 because that's what it is for plastic. The roughness on the glossy at the bottom is being changed to 0.15 and the roughness on the glossy in the middle is going to 0. And the final mix shader is going to set to 0.05. And there you have your transparent plastic. Render that out. The higher the samples, the better, and obviously because we're dealing with transparency, you might want to adjust your light paths, but I find that 1000 samples with some low settings is actually quite a nice effect. Okay, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Please do remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more of these amazing materials. Bye for now.